Thank you very much. I didn't start out writing songs. I started out writing dialect verse. And sadly, as everybody knows, we're losing our dialect. I think the coming of radio first and then television. And now, with people moving all over the country like they do for work and everything else, is our dialects everywhere throughout the country, or throughout the world actually, we're losing them. And I do like to hear a bit of dialect, especially Cornish dialect. So when I was out walking this morning, I met Joe Williams from over Curleen, his brother at the post office, you know what I mean. He always wore a waistcoat, and he used to work down there at Kew. He used to tend horses. You know him, of course you do. He had a sister married a soldier, was down here during the war. He gave her a kid, and off he went, and we didn't see him no more. But I tell you where we last saw him, was in Alston, Florida. Now, whether he was sober, I really couldn't say. But I tell you who he's related to is the Robertses over at Cornell. They used to have a blacksmith shop and a wheelwright shop as well. You know, his mother was a Roberts, but his father was from down Penzance. He had an uncle on his mother's side, was killed in the war in France. But if you don't know him, there isn't a lot more I can say. But he's pinching your taters out your field. So long, I'm on my way. Thank you.